think I know what this is. The time has come. Yes. Guys, I finally got my wheels. This is all you're gonna see right here until I put them on, which is later. This is gonna be sick. Tires are getting mounted, fellas. Yeah. Look at that stretch. Stretch your booty hole out.
I need to go see.
Look at that front. Woo! You guys aren't ready for the review. All right, guys. So the time has come. I got the front fitment good. The rear, I still need to work on it. And I need to adjust the bag. But here you go. Bam! Damn! Fender to lip, you feel me? The rears don't mind that, but damn, this shit. And I got a lip on the way. Oh my god. That's not my hood fitment, so don't be talking shit. It's popped up, okay? Alright, so this is the other side. Damn. You're going the wrong way.
Let me know.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna jack up this side so then we can see how the fitment is, if we have enough camber or not, because I'm gonna go fender to lip, feel me? Yeah.
Wow, pump it, girl. Ooh!
You know what I'm saying? Ooh, you gotta do it with the legs too, you know what I'm saying?
Damn, squat, girl. Oh my god, that booty. Let me touch it,
You know what I'm saying? Hey,
Come on,
hey,
just
don't
lay your
touch it,
butt.
just look at it.
Damn, oh my god.
You know what I'm saying?
Twerk it, bro, twerk it. Come on.
All right, fitment is finally nice. We're sitting down on it. Let's go, baby.
Look at this.
Yeah, that's only when I'm aired out though. When I air up, it just goes away. Dang, hear my girl come up. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Damn. I need my lip. You gonna air it out. Shit. Woo. Here we go, man. Oh, this just this little thing. Oh my goodness. You always need some 3M tape. Got my lugs. Got my lugs, baby. Yeah.
Are you serious?
Oh, fucker. Oh, no. Oh, no. Honey, no. Don't come out too fast. Ay, puta, fuck. Bitch. Yes.
What?
This shit pissed all over me. I didn't know this girl was a squirter. Yo, can you give me a paper towel?
I don't got none.
Yo, what? What am I supposed to do this with my doo hands?
What?
Look at my hands.
Figure it out.
What you mean, figure it out? I can't move right now. Okay. Fuck, no, I'm stuck. Get me out. Ah! Look at the floor, it's cold, bruh. I got it on my back. What's up, guys? So, I just did my oil change. I'm gonna throw my wheels back on. We're getting everything ready. Finally gonna be able to drive this car hopefully by tomorrow because I'm gonna go get an alignment. The wheels are gonna be on. Cha-ching! Nice, shiny, bling bling. Bam. Nelson over here fixing, or he's installing his lower control arms. Man, aren't you ready?
Of course. I haven't driven my
Aren't you
car over
ready,
a month.
bruh? We haven't had our cars in so long.
no.
All right, so it's the next day. We're gonna go get an alignment. Got bad news though. Freaking bag's still leaking. So I'm just gonna send it just for now so I can drive my car at least. It's a really, really slow leak. Probably gonna end up, I feel like something's wrong with the actual bag. Like the seal or something. I bought it from some sketchy ass website, so that makes sense.
Don't give a fuck what they feel. I don't give a fuck what they feel. Cause all I said I don't give a fuck what they feel. Yeah, said I don't give a fuck what they feel. Yeah, cause if the feeling's real, if the feeling's real, it'll be so hard for me to chill, hard for me to chill. Oh, cause if the feeling's real, feeling's real, feeling's real. I wanna feel, wanna feel, wanna feel your love. I wanna feel, wanna feel, wanna feel your touch. I wanna feel, wanna feel, wanna feel on your butt. Baby, tell me what it is. I just want your love, baby, while I'm off this shit. Sipping on this cup, baby, while it's full of hit. I'm just tryna fuck, baby, I just wanna win. I don't give a fuck what I'm thinking about. What I'm thinking about. What I'm thinking about. I don't give a fuck about what they think about you. What they think about you. What they think about you. Said I don't give a fuck what they feel. Yeah, said I don't give a fuck.